finally in LA. I've never been on the West Coast. I'm so excited. If I see one of the famous YouTubers I like, if I see Nate Shot, if I see you, it's gonna be so fun. Alright, so we have about 1 hour, or actually no, how long do we have?
Like 30 minutes.
Alright, we have 30 minutes till our next
to get there.
Flight boards. I wish we had a little longer so I can be like, run out the airport, go to an In-N-Out burger, try it out for the first time, but you know, 30 minutes in LA, but it's alright. I'll come back.
What's your
And then Miss Ashton, willing to assist emergency exit row in case of emergency?
Yes, sir.
Ashton, are you willing to assist an emergency?
Yes.
You're in row 6.
Yes.
Honolulu, here we come. Yo, we have blankets. Check this out. Hey, we in Hawaii, aloha. I can already tell the vibe is chill. I can already tell we chilling. I wish I had my Hawaiian shirt, yo. Alrighty. Good morning. Technically day 1 in Hawaii. 6-hour time difference, so it's only like 7 o'clock here, but it'd be like 1 o'clock to our bodies back in Georgia. So I want to show you all the view. This is right in the backyard, like the house. Ready? Watch this. Okay, so that is where we're going. That's Diamond Head. I just feel like there's sharks like right there. Like I feel like if I swam like 30 yards out, I get eaten by a shark, but I don't know. I just feel like there's a lot of sharks in Hawaii, but I'm gonna swim anyways. So, are you excited for today? What are we doing?
We're going hiking on that mountain.
I showed him earlier, yeah.
And then we're going on a catamaran to that trail.
That was my first time.
I don't want to wear 50 cents.
Back there's some pineapple. I told Ashton I should buy one, carry it to the top and take a picture with it like a basic white girl. She didn't like that idea, because she had that idea herself.
No.
I don't know if the camera can see me, but
how much space do I got in here? I keep thinking I'm gonna hit something.
yes.
I want to get out of this thing.
Update on Ashton.
Why are you doing this to us?
Why are you doing this stuff?
My energy level is at a -5.
-5? I'm feeling
Feel the burn in your calves.
I ain't quit on these Sperry's. It's pretty steep, to be honest.
We're halfway.
Halfway? Yeah.
Yeah. This is like climbing the Empire State Building.
Stop it, I'm tired of videoing.
She's tired of me videoing.
Yep.
Are you
Oh
recording?
wow, yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so now we start the descent back down. Alrighty, so we're about to go on the catamaran. Ashton's super excited. I'm excited. Huh?
I really am.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so this is pretty nice right here.
Brights.
Ooh, check this out, yo. Oh snap. This looks like a postcard. Wow. Probably the chillest thing I've ever done.
So chill.
This is, look how blue the water is.
I feel like we're, oh my gosh, Melissa.
I got you.
I feel like we're in a movie.
I know. Alrighty, guys. So today's Sunday. We got here last night, late at night. That's where the whole vlog started. I think we're gonna, instead of having one big long vlog like I did for the New Orleans trip, that was like 20 minutes long, no one wants to watch a 20-minute long vlog, so I'm gonna do separate episodes from like, you know, maybe 2 days at a time, so they're easier to watch, shorter to watch, maybe like about 10 minutes long to be easier. So day one, or technically day 1 and a quarter is over with. We hiked Diamond Head today. We rode on a catamaran today. So it's been a good day. But vlog 2 episode part 1 is over.